So hi guys, in this video I'll be telling you how to install Evolution X. So hi guys, in this video I'll be telling you how to install Evolution X based on Android 13 for Mi11X, Redmi K40 or the Poco F3. So the prerequisites are you need an unlocked bootloader, you should be in MIUI or any of the custom ROMs, and the recommended firmware for this ROM is 13.0.4 and it's fine to be on the latest firmwares. And you need to remove your password and security. If you are an MIUI, remove your MI account. If you are on custom ROMs based on AOSP, then remove your Google accounts. And once all of them are done, you can do a reboot, and now you can head into your file manager. You need to be having these two files, which is the ROM zip and the Orange Fox. So once you have both of them installed, reboot into your Orange Fox recovery. We will be using Orange Fox for this because TWRP doesn't show internal storage sometimes in Android 13, so that's why. So well, if you are on a custom ROM and you had to flash the firmware, which is the 13.0.4 firmware, so you need to be flashing that if you are on a custom ROM. So since I'm on a ROM based on MIUI and I'm on the correct firmware, so I will be heading into the wipe and I'll be clicking on Dalvik Cat Cache and swipe to wipe. Now go home, click on files, and now click on the Evolution Eloyet, uncheck everything and swipe to confirm flash. This will be taking some time, so please kindly wait. So well, once your ROM is being flashed, you can go back, you can select your Orange Fox recovery and you can swipe to install. Once your recovery has flashed, you can click on the home button, go to menu and click on reboot and click on your recovery. So now I'll go into wipe, format data, type in yes and then click OK. There's no loop or something. So well, once your format data has been success, you can click on reboot system and it says no is installed, it's fine, you can swipe to reboot. So well, our ROM has been booted, so let's click on get started. Let me just do a quick setup. So well, here we go, our ROM is booted. ROM looks so damn good. Now let's see the QoS panel. Oh well, it's in 60 Hz, so let me just put it to 120. And here we go, this is how the ROM smooth is. And this is the QoS panel. We got this new feature on Android 13, I think. I haven't seen this in any Android 12 custom ROMs. This is how the QoS panel looks. And the ROM is based on Android 13, so we will be getting this 13. Long press to change. That's pretty good, Android 13. So well, the kernel version they're using is no kernel. And the maintainer is here. So let's become a developer. And yes, I am a developer now. Let's go to the evolver and see the settings. Themes, we have dark theme, and yeah, well, it's on. We have different packs for Wi-Fi, icon shapes, signal shapes, and the full icon pack we have here. And power menu, we can use the advanced power menu as available in the other custom ROMs. Screenshots, flashlights, we have so many like that. We will be getting them, but yeah, you're gonna long press the power button, you're gonna open your Google Assistant. So now we need to scroll down the QoS panel and click on the reboot sign. We can be seeing the advanced option right here. So that was it about the power menu. And quick settings, we have these, and animations, screen turn off, CRT and scale, we have these. Miscellaneous, we have always on display. We have these little options. Before we had a custom time, now we have turns on from a time till sunrise, turns on from a time sunset till a time, turns on from sunset to sunrise. These were the options added, and we have unlimited photo storage in the Google Photos, and unlock higher FPS in games, launch music app on headphone connection, show temperature warning, USB configuration, and gestures. We have the gestures as usual. We have the charging animation as usual, and the ROM has Google Apps installed, so don't need to flash it separately. And we get the Dolby Atmos right here, so don't need to worry about the people who love Dolby Atmos. So that is all for this video. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.